Children, now we are going to learn about methods of preparation of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes can be prepared from alcohols by three methods. One is from hydrogen halide, number two from phosphorus halides, number three from thionyl chloride. So first from hydrogen halide. Consider a primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol treated with corn HCl and zinc chloride. Mixture of corn HCl and zinc chloride is called as Lucas reagent. So this OH replaced by this Cl and water molecule removed out. So CH3, CH2, Cl. OH replaced by Cl remaining water molecule. Mixture of HCl and zinc chloride called Lucas reagent. Suppose if take tertiary alcohol, that is carbon having OH attached to three alkyl groups treated with HI in the presence of potassium iodide, phosphoric acid. Here also this OH replaced by I, that is CH3C, I, CH3, CH3 plus water, tertiary butyl iodide. So haloalkanes means alkanes containing halogens. So here chlorine is replaced, here iodine is replaced. The order of reactivity is in the order HI greater than HBr greater than HCl. This is the order HI, HBr, then HCl. The order of reactivity of alcohols with halo acid is tertiary, then secondary, then primary. Next, reaction with phosphorus halides. Reaction with phosphorus halides. Alcohols react with PX5 or PX3. X means halogen, Cl, Bri, Cl5, Br5, I5. Similarly, X3 means Cl3, Br3. So you consider primary alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol CH3, CH2OH with PCl5, giving similarly this OH replaced by Cl, that is CH3, CH2, Cl chloroethane plus 1 Cl has gone, remaining 3 Cl3. So here from here 1 O, POCl3 plus HCl, 1 more Cl. Totally 5 Cl, 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. In the presence of red phosphorus. Similarly, ethanol, CH3, CH2OH treated with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, giving 3 molecules of chloroethane, CH3, CH2Cl plus H3PO3, phosphorus acid, H3PO3, phosphorus acid. Number 3 plus from thionyl chloride or sulfonyl chloride, that is SOCl2. This is called thionyl chloride or sulfonyl chloride. Same CH3CH2OH plus SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine. Same OH replaced by Cl, CH3, CH2, Cl plus remaining sulfur dioxide gas liberated plus HCl. This reaction is also called as Dorson's halogenation. Dorson's halogenation. So first from alcohols, this is the first method, alcohols treated with hydrogen halides, HCl, HA, HBr, like that. Next, alcohols treated with phosphorus halides, that is PCl5, PCl3. Then third one, alcohols treated with the sulfonyl chloride or thionyl chloride, SOCl2. This is called as Dorson's halogenation. Number 2, second method, from alkenes. Alkenes means compound containing double bond. Here it is treated with halogen acids. Follows Markovnikov's rule. What is Markovnikov's rule? For example, CH3, CH, double bond CH2. This is propene. Now HCl is added. In the HCl, Cl is having partial negative charge, H is having partial positive charge. By following Markovnikov rule, the negative part added to the carbon atom having less number of hydrogen atoms and H to the more number of hydrogen atom. This is called Markovnikov rule. By that rule, this Cl added here. So CH3, CHCl, single bond, hydrogen added here, CH3. 2-chloropropane, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, 2-chloropropane. This is called Markovnikov rule, addition to alkenes. Second preparation over. Third one, from alkanes. Alkanes means compound containing single bond. Alkanes react with halogens, that is chlorine or bromine, in the presence of ultraviolet light to form haloalkane. So, chlorination of methane. For example, CH4 treated with chlorine, that is light. Here one H, here one Cl removed. Remaining one Cl added here, that is CH3Cl, chloromethane. Once more, treated with the chlorine, minus HCl, HCl removed. So, CH2Cl2, dichloromethane. Treated with chlorine, minus HCl removed. So CHCl3, trichloromethane or chloroform. Once more treated with the chlorine, minus HCl removed. CCl4, tetrachloromethane. It's a chain reaction. This can be separated by fractional distillation. This is from alkanes. Next, halogen exchange reaction. Fourth one, halogen exchange reaction. First one is called as Finkelstein reaction. That is chloroalkane or bromoalkane on heating with sodium iodide in dry acetone. CH3, CH2, Br or Cl. Anyone we can take. Bromoethane or chloroethane. Treated with sodium iodide in presence of acetone. Heated. Here NaCl is removed. So CH3, CH2I plus NaCl. Exchange. Just Cl exchanged by I. That is called halogen exchange reaction. CH3, CH2I. In the presence of Cl, I coming inside, Cl is removed. This is called as halogen exchange reaction. That is Finkelstein reaction. Number 2, Schwartz reaction. Here also same, chloroalkane or bromoalkane, CH3, CH2, Br, treated with metallic fluorides like AgF or SbF3 or Hg2F2. Just exchanges. This F exchange with this Br. So CH3, CH2, F, fluoroethane plus AgBr. This is called as Schwartz reaction. Both are halogen exchange reaction. Number 5. From silver salt of fatty acids, that is Hunts-Dicker reaction. That is silver salt of fatty acids. That is CH3, CH2, COOAg, silver propionate, treated with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. See here, CO2 removed, Ag removed, Br coming inside, that is CH3, CH2, Br, then another Ag with the Br removed out, AgBr, plus this CO2 removed out. This is called as Hunts-Dicker reaction. Next, one more. Silver propionate, CH2COOAg plus bromine. Ag plus bromine. Otherwise you can write as chlorine. If you are writing chlorine, they are getting CH3, CH2Cl, then one AgCl removed out plus CO2. This is called as Hunts-Dicker equation in the presence of carbon tetrachloride reflux gives bromoalkane. So these are the preparations of haloalkanes. First one from alcohols, second one from alkanes, third one from alkanes, fourth one halogen exchange reaction, fifth one Hunts-Dicker reaction.